Hi, I'm Mark with Fluke Networks, and I'd like to show you the Fluke Fiber Media Converter that works with any LinkIQ to allow you to connect directly to a fiber optic network, either at 1 gig or at 10 gig. Let's see how it works. The first thing I need to do is select the correct SFP and plug it into the Fiber Media Converter. Next, I use this handy battery pack, plug into that, and use that to power the Fiber Media Converter. That way I don't need an AC power cord anywhere. Next, I connect the Fiber Media Converter to the network port I want to test. And if I did it right, you should see the lights come on the front here. And the final step is to connect the LinkIQ to the Fiber Media Converter. Now we're ready to test. So now that everything's connected, let's run the auto test. I just touched there. The LinkIQ will connect itself to the media converter, and the media converter will connect itself to the switch. In short order, you'll get information about the name of the switch, the slot and port number of the port you're connected to, the IP address of the switch, and if I touch here, I can even get VLAN information from the switch. Next, I'll see the connection speeds. Now those apply only to the connection speed between the LinkIQ and the media converter. They don't apply to the fiber optic connection speeds. Finally, I'll see the ping result down here, and you can see we were successful. We were able to ping an address. We can see the round trip times. We can see how many packets got through or were lost. We can see that we did get an IP address, and you can see it right here, that information from the DHCP server, and that there are DNS and gateway servers that were also offered by the DHCP server. I can then save the result, just like I would any other result from a network test, on the LinkIQ. And that's it. Quick and easy fiber optic connection testing with your LinkIQ.